Hello guys, how you guys day is going? How you guys day going for hunt day, junk day? But I made it out here to the scrap yard. This quarter with before and now the cleaning service. Just made it out here. It's a beautiful day. Just chatting with you, just playing with you. The rain is in, guys. It's got the ground muddy and nasty. Everything is 50 out here, but the guy with the excavator is getting it cleaned up so we can bag back and get our load dumped. Anywho, this is where everything I have on the trailer. Gosh, I forgot to throw that chair in the trash can. How did I miss that? Anywho, man, this is what I have back here on the back of the trailer here. Nice little load here. A lot of AC components, a lot of AC units and stuff like that. A gentleman gave me a call this morning and said, hey, I have some AC units that I need to be removed from my house. I need you to come on and pick them up and get them dumped for me and haul them off. Sure, sir, I'm on the way. No problem. So today turned out to be real good for me. It's early right now. It's about 11:40 my time, so I got plenty of time to get these cords cut. I got plenty of time to get the AC unit broke down. And guess what, guys? We're going to break them down right here in the scrap yard. There's some pretty nice bites down there. Some bites that somebody had on the back. Let me see. Let's get this chair thrown off. Throw that on off of there. Some pretty nice bites. The bites are pretty nice. I like them. Look at these bites here. I think I'm going to might end up. Might get this. Listen. Frame here off of here. Let me see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end up throw that out there. Might end up keeping those. Not bad. That bike there is gonna have to go. It's no good. The tire is good, just no change on it. Oh yeah, do the change right there. So I don't know. I might end up keeping the one down at the bottom down there with the little training wheels or something like that. And I might keep the pink bike there, you know, just give them away or whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Here go the AC units right here. I have about 3 to 4 AC units. I'm going to take the cords and the copper and the motor out of those and get those broke down. I have some wires down at the bottom down there. If you guys can see, there's some wires down there. And I'm going to get those, put them in one area, cut those off. Everything going up there to go up there to the non-ferry section. Now that's a nice little bike right here. Man, I ain't pay that no attention. Change I miss up on it, man. I tell you, man. And this tire is good on there, man. I might end up I'm gonna come over for idea maybe to open up a little shop and start selling some of this stuff. This stuff can be sold, man, you know. So yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna end up doing in the near future here. I keep saying something I'm going to do, and every time I get a chance to get around to it, there's something else happening. It's always throwing me off, man. But I gotta really make this thing happen. But anywho, guys, here we go. Let's get this trailer offloaded so we can keep it moving. everything thrown off on the ground here. Everything is onto the ground here. I got a lot of cleaning up to do. It's about 12 o'clock, a little bit after 12 o'clock my time, so I'm gonna get to it. We're gonna break the AC units down and cut these cords off of there. I got all these cords around here, kind of lingering around off these refrigerators, and kind of walk over here, man. I gotta get my tools up out of here. Got a whole bunch of cords and wires over here, man. I'm gonna have to stack all this stuff into a pile and get all this stuff off this ground here and get it all stacked up on the back of this trailer here. But I gotta get those AC units broke down, so let's kind of get this truck open and kind of look in the back of this truck here. These are all my tools I have to do my breakdowns. I got a box of tools right here when I want to break down motors. There's a whole bunch of socket wrenches and stuff like that inside here. And if you look here go all my tools. All the tools I use to break down. I got some cutters back here that I cut my wires with, and so on and so on. So it's time to get all this breakdown. I got my hand truck here. I'm gonna move this hand truck out the way. I don't want this toolbox to fall. There's a lot of tools in there, and it's heavy. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and start breaking this stuff down so we can get the second check for today and get this non-ferrous metal separated from this metal. So here we go. you guys, I got everything broke down. It's all broke down. I got some little wires that I'm cutting. If you see, I'm cutting my wires now and picking them up off the ground, going through here, looking on the back of these appliances and stuff like that. The wire got some more wires inside here. I got my cords back there. Got my motors at the front up there. Now I'm putting together my copper here and separate my brass and so on and so on. Yeah, this is pretty much it. I got some more wires to cut inside there. Some more little stuff that I got to dig in there and get that I threw on the ground. But this is pretty much it. That's pretty much it for me today. This is everything that's going on in my scrapyard. Not much going on. So this is pretty much it for me today. You guys be blessed, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.